Hi guys, welcome to Wellste channel. Today I'm going to introduce the anodizing for you. Look at these samples. There are all anodizing aluminum profiles with different colors. Anodizing is using aluminum as an anode and placing it at an electrolyte solution to form an oxide film on the surface. It can increase aluminum lifespan from 10 to 20 years, enhancing appeal and preventing corrosion and wear. Wellste has an anodizing line. Anodizing aluminum length is generally less than 7 meters, and the anodizing time depends on the anodizing method and effort, usually taking between 10 or 20 minutes to several hours. Wellste common anodizing film thickness is 8 to 12. Wellste anodizing is colorful like silver, black, brown, changing, gold, etc. We also support custom color according to your requirements. Common anodizing has 3 types. First is Chromic Acid Anodizing. It contains a non-conductive thin layer and is mainly used in industries with high adhesive properties like aerospace. Second is Surface Acid Anodizing. It is the most commonly used anodizing. It improves the wearability and corrosion resistance, often used in decorative finishes, commercial goods, etc. Third is hard anodizing. Hard anodizing is the most durable. It creates a thick, hard, and very well-resistant anodic coating. It is used for the majority parts and the equipment used in industry. Want to know which types of anodizing is best for your product? Reach out to Wellste now.